Hello everyone, it's Deb Floros for Art Beads. I'm going to be making some sunset trapeze earrings using the Art Beads sterling silver curved bar links, some crinkle chain, which is sold by the foot and has 3mm links. I'm going to be using these amazing check fire polish beads, 2 in 8mm, 4 in 6mm. And I'm going to be attaching the chain to those further out loops, and we'll be attaching beads to the center loops as the focal of that curved trapeze piece. Now I'm going to be using 9 links of chain, and you do have to cut the chain because it is all soldered chain. And to get the same length, since you need 9 for each side of those curved bar pieces, I'm putting them on a head pin, the cut piece and then the uncut piece, and trimming them to match. I'm going to be using some 4mm jump rings to attach the chain to the curved bar piece. And I'm just using some bent chain nose and some chain nose pliers to do that. So I've got my chain on one side, then I'm going to add it to the other. And now that's what those 2 links of chain will do. And we'll come back to that chain in a bit. Now I'm going to take one of those amazing sunset check fire polish beads and then a head pin. This is a 2-inch head pin, 21 gauge, silver plated. And I'm going to use some round nose pliers to create a wire wrap loop. So I'm just going to start by creating the loop. Then I'm going to grab that bar piece, and that center link is where I'm going to attach the loop. Then with my bent chain nose, I'm going to hold onto the loop and do a few wraps around that bead. Then I'm going to trim off the excess, and then I'm going to use the chain nose to tighten up that little piece of extra wire. The 6mm are going to be used on either side of the 8mm. So we're going to do the same exact thing, create a loop, and then wire wrap it directly onto that bar component. You could do simple loops, and you could also do wire wrap loops and attach with jump rings if you don't mind the additional length that the jump ring will create. So I'm holding on to that piece of wire, that loop of wire, and doing my wire wraps, cutting off my excess, and then tightening up that wire where it was cut. Oh, I love these beads. They're so beautiful. Such a pretty, pretty bright sunset piece for the spring and summer. So there I am wrapping that 3rd bead, and then it's time to take those 2 pieces of chain and attach them directly to our ear wire. I've got a sterling silver French hook ear wire, and what you'll need to do is attach those top links directly to the loop on your ear wire. Once you get your earring hanging just right, you will have a fantastic pair of sunset trapeze earrings. These are such a fun design and so fresh for the spring and summer. You can find everything to make these at artbeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.